Welcome to Explain, a series of health education programs published by the Patient Education Institute, the leading provider of interactive health education. This video includes general medical information and does not replace the medical advice of your doctor or healthcare provider. If you have questions pertaining to your medical condition, ask your doctor or healthcare provider.
Car seat safety. Introduction. Car seats greatly reduce the risk of injury or death from car crashes. Using a car seat correctly can help keep your child safe. There are several types of car seats. It is important to find the correct car seat for your child and vehicle. Your child will need different car seats as they grow. This program explains car seat safety. It covers finding the right car seat for your child, how to install it, and how to keep your child safe. How to find the right car seat. Car seats greatly reduce the risk of injury or death from car crashes. Using a car seat correctly can help you keep your child safe. There are several types of car seats. The right car seat for your child depends on their age, weight, and size. Your child will need different car seats as they grow. The best car seat for your child also depends on your vehicle. Test car seats before you buy them to make sure they fit well. Do research if you are going to buy a used car seat. Used car seats should come with instruction manuals. They should have a label that says the manufacturer date and model number. Call the manufacturer and ask how long the seat can be used. Ask if the seat has been recalled. The manufacturer may give you a replacement part or a new car seat. Car seats come with an expiration date. Do not buy car seats that are expired or older than 6 years old. Make sure the car seat has not been recalled, has no cracks, tears, or missing parts, has never been in a car crash. Your child's first car seat. Rear-facing car seats are the best car seats for babies and younger children. Rear-facing car seats face the back of your vehicle. They have a harness that cradles and moves with your baby during an accident. This can help prevent harm to your child's neck, spine, and torso. Your child should use a rear-facing car seat until they are 2 years old or they reach the maximum weight and height limits of the seat. Infant-only car seats are meant for newborns and small babies. Babies usually outgrow them in 8 to 9 months. They should be used from birth until your baby weighs up to 35 pounds. 16 kilograms. When you place your baby in their car seat, their head should be at least 2 inches, 6 centimeters under the top of the seat. Put rolled up towels or diapers on each side of your baby's shoulders if they lean to one side in their car seat. Never put padding or blankets under your baby when they are in their car seat. Check the angle of the car seat if your baby's head falls forward. You can use a blanket or towel to tilt the seat back. Infant car seats are small and portable, which means you can take them anywhere. You can use it as a baby carrier or rocker. Many models can detach from the base so that you can leave it installed in the car. Do not let your baby spend too much time in their car seat when they are not in a vehicle. Too much time in a carrier can limit their ability to develop movement and sensory skills.
Sponsored by the Patient Education Institute. www.patient-education.com. Over 5,000 videos and interactive tutorials.
Car seats for toddlers. Convertible car seats help protect babies and toddlers. They can change from rear-facing to forward-facing. They can be used for children of various sizes. This means that you can use them longer as your child grows. A forward-facing car seat has a harness and tether. The harness and tether help prevent your child from moving forward during a crash. Rear-facing convertible seats can be used by babies and toddlers up to 40 pounds, 18 kilograms. Depending on the model, forward-facing convertible seats can be used for children from 20 pounds, 10 kilograms, up to 65 pounds, 30 kilograms, or 80 pounds, 36 kilograms. Convertible seats can be heavy. They are not easily portable. But you may be able to save money by using a convertible seat because you may not need to buy an infant-only seat. Convertible seats can be the best option for larger babies that outgrow infant-only seats but still need to be rear-facing. Convertible car seats with tray shields should not be used for babies. The shield could hurt the baby's face during a car accident. Children can switch to booster seats once they are larger than the height and weight limit for their forward-facing car seat. Booster car seats hold the seat belt in your vehicle over your child's body securely. Some booster seats have high backs to boost your child's height. They can also provide support for your child's neck and head. Booster seats with high backs should be used in vehicles that don't have headrests or high seat backs. Backless booster seats do not provide head and neck support. They should only be used in vehicles that have headrests. All-in-one seats can change from rear-facing to forward-facing to booster seats as your child grows. They can be used for children of various sizes. Car seat safety tips. Many healthcare facilities, public safety groups, fire departments, and law enforcement agencies can help you install a car seat or check if you have installed one correctly. The best place for car seats is in the middle of the back seat. Read the manual before you install a car seat. Learn how to use the seat belts or seat anchor points in your vehicle to secure the car seat. Most cars made after 2002 have car seat anchor points. Most car seats are now made with anchor attachments. This system is called latch. Latch stands for Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children. The latch system does not use seat belts to hold the car seat. Instead, a tether strap holds the top of the car seat to an anchor point in the car. Use latch only in positions that are recommended by the car seat and vehicle manufacturers. Do not use both the latch system and seat belts to install a car seat. Check the car seat manual to learn the recommended angle that your child's car seat should recline. The angle may be different depending on which way the seat faces. It should not recline more than 45 degrees. Car seats should not move more than 1 inch, 3 centimeters, in any direction. The belt or tether needs to be tighter if the seat moves or wiggles. To install a car seat that uses a seat belt, push down on the seat with your knee while you tighten the seat belt through the belt path. Some seat belts need a locking clip to keep the belt from getting loose. Locking clips can be found at baby stores, some car dealers, and from car seat makers. If your child's car seat has a harness, it should always be placed in the slots. The harness should always be at or below your child's shoulders. If the harness has a clip, the top of the clip should be level with your child's armpits. Harness straps should snugly fit over your child's shoulders and thighs. The straps should never be twisted. Readjust the straps as your child grows. Dress your child in clothes that keep their legs free when you travel. This will let you buckle the strap properly between their legs. Always check to make sure the seat belt or tether strap that holds your child's car seat is tight enough before each car trip. When your child has outgrown the need for a car seat, they should always wear a seat belt when they travel in a vehicle. Seat belts restrain your child and help keep them safe. Safety belts should lie across the upper thighs and be snug across the shoulder. They should not rest on your child's stomach or across their face or neck. Airbags prevent injuries to adults and teens during a car crash, but babies and children can be harmed or killed by airbags. Babies and children should never ride in the front seat.
If you like this video, please like and share. For similar videos, subscribe to our channel.
Summary. Car seats greatly reduce the risk of injury or death from car crashes. Using a car seat correctly can help you keep your child safe. There are several types of car seats. The right car seat for your child depends on their age, weight, and size. Your child will need different car seats as they grow. Many healthcare facilities, public safety groups, fire departments, and law enforcement agencies can help you install a car seat or check if you have installed one correctly. The best place for car seats is in the middle of the back seat. Babies and children should never ride in the front seat. Always check to make sure the seat belt or tether strap that holds your child's car seat is tight enough before each car trip. When your child has outgrown the need for a car seat, they should always wear a seat belt when they travel in a vehicle. Seat belts restrain your child and help keep them safe.
Thank you for using Explain.